In this video, we're going to talk about how to set up an event in advance before you start recording. So let's jump straight into Glean again. And again, we're on the dashboard here. To create a new event, you can just simply click on create a new event here, or you can go into your collections if you want to create it straight into a collection. Maybe you want to do it in Business Management 1, we can click on that and we can create a new event that way. I'm just going to do it from home at the moment because I think this is how most people will probably create their events. If you press new event here, it comes up with your event screen. So on this, we can create a name for our event. So let's put lecture 1 and we can go, 1 BM. If we want to put this in business management, for example. And then if you want to add it to a collection, you can go up to your three dots at the top right up here in event options and click on this and go to add to collection. If you click that, then all your existing collections will come up. Just to note, currently as it stands in Glean, you can't create a new event from this add to collection menu here. That might be coming in the future. That's something that's been mentioned to Glean, and hopefully it's a feature they'll add in the future. But currently you can only add events to existing collections. So you'll have to go out of the event page, create the collection, come back in and add it in, if that makes sense. But we can add it to Business Management 1 here, so we'll just click on that. And now you can see that it's been added to Business Management 1 here. We can click on this and go to the collection if we wanted to as well, which is quite good. So you can see all of your events within that collection. So before you start recording, you might want to set up your event like this, and you've got the option to import slides. So maybe you want to download them in advance, put them into your event so that you have them all ready to go by the time you want to start recording. So you can notice your import slides button here, so you can click that if you want to. But if you've maybe started making some notes in advance, like you've put a note in here, you can still add in slides by going up to your event options again, clicking on this, going to import slides, and then we click that. It'll come up with our file explorer. I'll just import some random slides at the moment, but you just click on your slides. It'll take a minute or so to process that. And just to note that the maximum file size is 50 megabytes for PowerPoint slides. Generally, PowerPoint slides won't be over that size of file, but if they are, I'd recommend basically taking out any large pictures within your PowerPoint presentation, and basically that should take it down to something smaller than 50 megabytes, and you should then be able to import that as your slides. And once you've imported these, you can navigate through them by using the little arrows at the bottom here. So if I want to go to this slide over here, I can do that. If I want to maybe go back again, I can use these. And if you want to go back to slide 1 at any point, like the first slide, you can just press this little circle arrow here. So that's how you'd set up your event before you start recording.